Good morning once again. Are you an aspiring data analyst? Okay, so these are the tools that you should look at. First of all, you need to learn how to use basic Microsoft Excel. Then you learn how to use advanced functions in Excel. Then also how to use pivot tables and pivot charts in Excel. Then the next tool that you need to learn about is SQL or SQL or SQL, which is also a language for querying database, because most data is stored in a relational database management system. So you need a language that you can use to query or manipulate the data that is stored in a database. Then the next thing is you need to learn at least one of a visualization tool or a business intelligence tool, of which I recommend Power BI because of its simplicity. Then also you can also learn about Tableau, which is also very easy to use. Then after you are familiar with these tools, you can learn Python. Python is also a simple language to learn, which is easy to learn, and it's also very popular in the data community because of its versatility and its ease of use. So, as an aspiring data analyst, these are the tools that you can start with. Thank you, and this is Tech Talk. So, see you in the next episode.